Hi guys, how you doing? I wanted to do just a brief video to I did one earlier today, and for some reason it was all blurry, so I had to delete it. It was actually this eye makeup look that one of the subscribers requested. I've had my makeup on since like 9 o'clock this morning, so it's starting to look a little worn out. It is like 9:20 p.m. But I just wanted to get in here and do a short video. I'm in my bedroom. I'm recording on my iPad. So this is going to be not going to be the same quality. Oh, my ear itches. The same quality video that I would normally have, but at least I'm putting something up today. So I just wanted to share with you something that I found at Ulta, and it was part of my haul, the haul video that I'm going to do, but I thought I'd show it to you today. I just wanted to show you guys that you don't have to spend a lot of money to get some nice makeup. This, I've heard from a couple of YouTubers that I've actually seen do looks with it, that it's a really nice product and looks really nice. So I wanted to create a look for you guys, showing what, how good this product is. I don't own a lot of e.l.f. I have a brow pencil. And then I do have several lipsticks, but I don't think I have any eyeshadows. I do have some blushes. Their blushes are pretty good. So this was, I believe it was $30, but I used my 20% off. It was only good for drugstore. That one coupon was only good for drugstore merchandise. So I was able to get it off of this. So that was like $24. So that's not really bad when you consider that you get an eye palette, a face palette. This looks like a liquid lip, and then this is a gloss. So I want to do a couple of swatches for you so that you can see what this looks like. And the packaging is cute. It kind of looks like something L'Oreal or something would come up with. And these are the shades, and it rings 1, 2, 3, 4, 10. No, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 shades. And it looks like it's 5 matte and 5 shimmer. And those are very pretty colors. So let me swatch a couple of them for you. So if you hear any noise, it's probably just a TV on in the living room. I live in a very small house, so my husband just got home from work, and my dad is out there watching TV. So I just wanted to do something quick so that I can just put something up on YouTube. And let's see. Oh, this green looks beautiful. Oh, that is really pretty. I think this is going to be really nice. Look at these swatches. And this is just one single swipe. So that is very, very pretty. And it felt very buttery, and it didn't feel powdery. If you can see, when I'm putting my finger in, it really doesn't feel, like it's falling apart or there's a lot of kick up or anything like that. So it feels really nice. So that is the eye palette. And does it have a name? It just says, let me see what the box says. It says Modern Metals Collection. Shadow palette, blush and highlighter palette, liquid matte lipstick, and a lip gloss. That's what I said without reading it. That's what I figured it was. Okay, so let's look at the face palette. Again, this is very pretty. So the eyeshadow is gold, and the face palette is silver. Okay, so here are the different shades. So you have 3 different blushes and 3 different highlighters. So let's swatch the blushes, and again, they feel very, very buttery. Really pretty. The second one is very light, so which I like. I really don't like, I'd rather add blush than for it to be super pigmented, and then, when you try to put it on, it's kind of hard to blend. And these will make some real pretty shadows also. Okay, this one was a little powdery right here, but these are the swatches. These are the 3 blushes and the 3 highlighters. And this, you see the highlighters are a little more powdery than the blushes, but you normally wouldn't go that hard on the highlighter anyway. You would go, I wish I had brought a brush with me, but I didn't. But if you can see, that's very pigmented. And then let's do this kind of like a rosy one over here. Doesn't everybody wear different color highlighters? So I put this one on this cheek and this one on this cheek. But I already did have some highlighter on. Okay, so as far as the lipsticks, okay, what did I, oh, here they are. This looks like kind of like a pumpkin color, which, oh, I just got it on my leg. It's kind of spit out. That was kind of watery. Let me shake it. That was kind of weird. It felt like real liquidy when I, see how I'm bouncing? I'm on sitting on the bed. Okay. This is high quality filming here. But we're all friends, right? Let me straighten you out. You're kind of getting crooked on me here. There's a color. That's very pretty. It really is a pretty color. And let me see if it has a name. I'm sure it does, but can I see it? It's pretty bad when you can even tell if it's upside down or not. Just got a number. I can't read it. I will list it. And then this is the gloss. And this will look pretty over any lipstick. The e.l.f. glosses are pretty nice. Isn't that pretty? So I wanted to share that with you to show you that, you know, you don't have to spend, you know, $50 on a palette to create a pretty look. I mean, a palette like this, high-end, will probably cost you at least $38. Face palette, probably about the same. And then the liquid lips, high-end, or even if it was a Milani, it's probably like 10 bucks, and the same for the gloss. So when you break it down, $30 is really not a lot, because it would be like 10 and 10, and then each lipstick would be like $5, let's say. So that's not too bad. And then if you have a coupon, that's even better. So this is the lipstick I'm wearing today, and this is by Bite. I love Bite Beauty lipsticks. They're so nice. And again, I can't read this name, so, but it's very, very pretty. And very creamy. Isn't it a pretty fall color? It is when it's hot outside. You guys get tired of me saying that, right? The this is the powder foundation I have all over my face today, which is the Baked Balance and Brighten from Laura Geller in medium. And the look that I created was from the Nightingale Pretty Vulgar palette that we received in our BoxyCharm last month. It was like 2 months ago. And then I had this highlighter on, which was also requested for me to use in a look. And this is really pretty. But again, it's the end of the day. I've had my eyeshadow, my makeup on for over 12 hours. So that's why it's not looking all that bright. So I just wanted to share this little bit of, you know, information with you and just say hello. I missed you. I'll probably put up another video on Friday, and it will hopefully be the whole video. So I hope you guys have an awesome week. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.